This is ASUS Zenfone 9, and in today's video we will demonstrate how you can activate, manage and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. First of all, you need to launch the keyboard. In here at the top part of it, tap on this icon that stands for the clipboard itself. Then turn on this toggle in order for your clipboard to be activated. If you would like to remove any of the elements you have over here, tap on this pencil icon, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then tap on a trash bin. If you would like, on the other hand, for something to be added to the clipboard, simply copy it. So I'll type in some random word, which is in my case is car. Copy it, and once I get back to the clipboard, I'll see that it has been added to it as the most recent element. If you would like to, use any clipboard element you have, simply tap on it and it will be successfully pasted into whatever typing bar you have launched the keyboard from. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.